Hello. In this video, we are going to go over how to convert radians into degrees. So the most important thing that we need to remember here is the formula of how to do that. Well, we're going to get our radians, multiply it by 180 over pi, and that's going to convert us into degrees. Very simple. So let's just jump straight into it. A, 3 pi over 2. I need to convert this into degrees. All I'm going to do is multiply the radians by 180 over pi. We're going to do the first two by hand and the second two in the calculator. So by hand, what we're going to see is now we're going to simplify. The pi's are going to cancel, and I see that the 2 and the 18 cancel, leaving a 9, and don't forget the 0. So you can either do 180 divided by 2 or 18 divided by 2. Make sure you keep the 0 there. So here we see that the 2 and the 18 cancel, bringing in 9, keep the 0. The pi's have canceled. 3 times 90 is 270 degrees. That's it. Very, very, very straightforward. So next one, 7 pi over 6 times 180 over pi. This will convert us into degrees. The pi's are going to cancel. And now what I see is the 6 and an 18. Well, 6 goes into 18 3 times, and we're going to keep the 0. So then all I have to do is now 3 times 7, which is 21, and keep the 0, 210 degrees. Let's do the next one, C. 5 pi over 4 times 180 over pi. When we plug this into the calculator, cross out the pi's first. Then you will just take 5 over 4 times 180. Plugging that into a calculator, we get 225 degrees. Well, let's double check that as we do this by hand. So what I'm going to do is first rewrite the 225 above, and that way we can work downwards and confirm our answer. So we can take 4 out of 180. I don't know that off the top of my head, but I know that 4 divided by 2 and 180 divided by 2, right? They share factor of 2. So I can divide them both by 2. We're left with 4 turns into 2. 180 turns into 90. Then I could do it again. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 90 divided by 2 is 45. And we can just do 5 times 45, which is 225 degrees. Very straightforward and easy stuff. Negative 7 pi over 3. We're going to multiply that by 180 over pi. We're going to cancel these, and we're going to plug that into a calculator. Negative 7 over 3 times 180. That's going to give us negative 420 degrees. Now, when we simplify this by hand, this is what it's going to show us. 3 and the 18 cancel, leaving a 6, keep the 0. 6 times 7 is, well, negative 7 times 6 is negative 442, and then keep the 0, negative 420. And there you can see we easily converted all of those radians into the degrees that you see. If you have any other questions or want a question done that is specific towards what your needs are, please just comment or send me an email. Other than that, I hope everyone has a great day.